What's up, guys? Today we are changing spark plugs on the Regal. Let's get to it. Before we get started, you do want to check the gap on your spark plug. So you just want to make sure that the gap is correctly. On these, I had to look it up. It's 0.036. So just check the gap on it, make sure that it's good. This one is. So we'll do that for all of them as we get going. Alright, let's see what's underneath here. These are your coil packs, and you gotta remove this bolt. So that looks like maybe a number 10, I think is what I heard. So remove all those, and the plugs are underneath of them. So looks like where I've put some oil in here, there's some oil down inside of here, but for what I hear, that's kind of common when you replace or when you change your oil and it spills just a little bit, it'll gather right here. So alright, let me go ahead and set this camera back up and we'll get started on them. Definitely time to replace, and these are oily. This car has 130,000 miles on it. They've never been replaced, so they're definitely in need of it. With this particular car, you do want to make sure that your spark plug wrench has the rubber boot in it. It's going to grab a hold of the spark plug, because they're so far down inside of the engine here that it would be a little bit difficult to get out of there if you didn't have that. So, and I always like to start things without the ratchet attached, so I make sure that nothing's being cross-threaded or anything like that. If I can. In this situation, I can. Okay, I just want to put a little bit of dielectric grease, just a little bit, on the plugs. Doesn't have to be very much, just very little. And also put some inside of these boots. I already preloaded those. I don't know if these need to go on the same order as they come out, but I'm going to put them in the same order just because. I'm not going to use this to tighten them down. I'm only using it to get through all those threads because these are pretty long-winded threads here. Alright. Something I forgot to show you all. These spark plugs, they are not in good shape. So, gotta make sure you replace your plugs when it's time. Alright, well there we have it on the 2011 Regal. Spark plug changes are very simple. They are really easy to do. One of the easiest I've done. Now in my truck, they're pretty easy there as well. Same thing with the Suburban. Suburban is a little bit more difficult because you have to take the tire off to get to one of them. But on this Regal, it was very simple. You saw how easy that was. It really is as easy as all the videos say that it is. So watch for the next video. I have an engine light, check engine light coming on, and it's saying it's an O2 sensor, so I'm going to try to clean that out. So watch for the next video. I'm just going to remove it and see if cleaning it works. So, and don't forget, if this is the type of content you like, make sure you hit the like and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps out the channel. See you guys in the next one.